Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off background apps on your Poco X7 Pro. This is super useful if you want to save battery or reduce lag or maybe improve overall performance. So let's jump right in. First, before we start, let's talk really quick about why turning off background app matters. Your Poco X7 Pro will allow apps to keep running even when you are not using them. These apps continue to consume battery, use RAM, and then sometimes even use data in the background. And then if you have too many apps running behind the scenes, your phone might feel slower, your battery drains faster, and heavy games may experience lag. And then so by controlling which apps are allowed to run, you can extend your battery life and then make your phone run smoother, improving gaming performance, reduce unnecessary data usage. And okay, let's go to the step-by-step tutorial. First, just open your settings app like this and then scroll down a bit and then until you find apps, this one, just tap on it. This is where you manage all your installed applications. And then inside these sections or this menu, just tap on background auto start, this one. And then in here you will see a list of your installed apps. In here you can select which apps that you want to keep running and which one that you want to restrict on your background apps. Like for example, you may want messaging apps like WhatsApp or Telegram to stay active, and then games or unused apps can be restricted to save battery. So just tap the app that you want to manage. You can turn the toggle on over here like this until it turns into a blue button to allow background activity, or just off it to restrict the background activity. When you toggle it off, the app will no longer run behind the scenes unless you open it manually. So just choose your apps that you want to restrict on the background activity. And a few quick tips. Don't restrict essential apps like maybe alarm clocks or messaging apps or anything that needs notifications. And then for apps that you rarely use, restricting background activity is totally safe. And if an app stops sending notifications, just simply re-enable background activity. And okay, that's it. That's how you can turn off background apps on your Poco X7 Pro to save your battery and boost performance. Okay, if this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!